ladies and gentlemen, we have here the official website for the Tangem. As you see, if you use my referral code, you can get 10%, and if you buy before October 28th, there will be another rewards of $5 in your Bitcoin in your wallet. So I just want to clarify some important features for the security of the Tangem wallet, because it is certified hardware and they have non-upgradable audited firmware. Unlike many competitors, Tangem's wallet firmware is permanently fixed. Also, they have the open source software. Tangem apps code is open source and available on GitHub. For sure, they have a detector protector security because Tangem uses Dex Protector, the first software protection tool. Also, they have an anti-counterfeit protection during wallet activation. The Tangem app attests the secure element on the card. Also, private key generation inside the chips means private key are created only once inside the secure chips. Also, we have here on the wallet the smart backup system instead of relying on a seed phrase that can be easily lost or compromised. Tangem provides 3 identical hardware wallets in one pack, even the card of the ring. You can also use for the users, they can make a user controlled protection. Each card is used by a personal access code or biometric identification like Face ID, Touch ID, etc. It is a simplicity of the wallet here. It's available as a card or ring, and also fast wallet activation. It takes 3 minutes. You can always ready to work with it with the NFT protocol. Tangem is available anytime, anywhere, no changes. And you can also do some 3 equivalent card. Lost one, you can still access. They have 25 years warranty based on the minimum ships left. You can also use it on the water dust proof because it works in extreme operation temperatures from -25 Celsius to +50 Celsius. Also, no additional element. You can also resistance to EMP electronics pulse. So there is no extra component. Nothing could break age faster than the ship or be hacked. We see Silly's setup as the nature evolution of crypto UX, something that has been hindering mass adoption. In short, we don't recommend using the seed phase option unless you are really experienced and know what you are doing. Let's see it for the unboxing. Hello guys, so we have here the wallet, so let's check it out and let's open the wallet like this. So here we are. So this is the Tangem wallet. Let's open it slowly and let's see what we have now. So the first thing that we have the ring here. So as you see, this is the ring. You can just open it like this. It's an amazing ring, honestly. The color, the design, and as you see, you can see here the Tangem design, the Tangem logo. As you see, you can see it here carefully. This is the logo of the Tangem, and this is the ring. As you see here, the ring is really good on my finger. We have here the official Tangem card. As you see, we have here 2 cards and the number of the card as I see here. So everything is clear. The Tangem card also, the design is really amazing. As you see, the Tangem logo with the design, and we have here how you can get started, how you can open it, get started. You can see, first of all, you have to download the app, Tangem app. After that, you can tap the ring on your phone and you can read this, how you can put it here. You can see the specifications and contract, the certificate information, and the term how to use this Tangem wallet. So you can download and install the official app on your phone. I will download it and install it. After that, you can tap the ring on your phone to set up your wallet. Open the app, tap the ring, on your phone's NFC spot and follow the instructions on the screen. So let's do this. So this is the Tangem crypto wallet. All what you have to do is install it, click get. After that, let's make a double click and let's verify on my phone. Let's install the Tangem wallet. After that, open it and see what's happened again. So here we have this is the Tangem service. Just accept this. So would you like to use the push notification? Let's see later. So this is the Tangem wallet, and what we have to do is scan Tangem, or you can order a Tangem. For me, I have the Tangem wallet. You can also order a Tangem wallet. I will put the links under this video description for everyone who wants to invite or who wants to order the wallet. So you can see that here I have already Tangem wallet. You can read it like this. We just make here the card like this, so the ready to scan. As you see, now we have the scan. So generated key privacy, it means that I need to create a wallet, or you can do more options, like you can use the phrase if you have. So I don't have, so I need to generate a wallet. I have to make sure that I save this names, but we just make a primary code. As you see, the primary card, and this is the number for the prepare the primary card with the number, as you see here. So you can check it, the primary card is here, so you can just click. Now the phone is reading the card. 3 2 1. After that, we can just connect it with the card with the wallet. So ready to scan, it's done now. So we have here backup the card, and everything is cool till now. So now we have the access, and you have to save our password, as you see. So would you like to use your Face ID? I can just use my Face ID, and I will back to you guys. So here we have our funds. As you see, you can see the token. You can add which token that you want, Tether, USDT, or you can select, for example, let's add the TRC20 and Ethereum, for example, and you can add a lot of tokens, as you see here. But for me, I would prefer to add some, not all. Solana, the Tone address, the Shiba, the XRP, etc. So I am interested in some wallets, not all of them for sure. So you can add it, for example, the Tether also, and a lot of like BNB here, and you can just continue. So everything is good. Now we have connected our wallet with the app, and let's continue to our wallet. So we have here our wallet. You can check what you want. They have funds. You can add some cards here. You can also sweep. You can sell bitcoins, and we have here get reward. If you wanna invite friends, you can just make a participate, and you can participate with them. You will get 5 USDT for each wallet bought by your friends or on your Tone network access to this. So you can just copy your code, or you can share it with your friend, family, etc. So everything is clear. You can also make some deposits, and you can see here our funds, and you can search through the market, or you can buy the token. For example, let's try to buy something here. We have here the name, the resident, and you can just make confirm and select how much that you wanna buy. For example, $10. You can select here the minimum amount that we have here. For example, you can just change your currency if you wanna buy. The minimum amount is 500 dirhams, as you see, and you can just pay with your card via a sample. Click here buy. After that, you can go to the official partner Synfix token, and you can just put your card number, etc. here how you can buy this. So everything is good, ladies and gentlemen. You can also add some wallets here. You can, if you wanna add some wallet, you can just add it. You can also add the wallet connect from here, and you can see the social media here. You can buy also a Tangem wallet. So if you wanna buy it, you can see here the Tangem wallet with 3 cards. You can also do a lot of things like free shipping, or you can see the Tangem read if you wanna buy. So the minimum for the 3 card set is 50, almost $60. We have here the 2 card set for 46, And we have here the family pack or the Tangem ring. You can select which one that you want for sure and select the numbers. After that you can just add your account address and you can pay with the orders or you can pay with the PayPal. So everything is really cool about the Tangem wallet. Change or swipe between the tokens as you see here. So you can just choose your token you want to swipe. For example, Bitcoin, you can swap it to Ethereum or TRC or anything. Just put the number here and you can swap between them. So everything is clear, ladies and gentlemen. So you can also receive some funds. If you wanna receive some funds, what you have to do is just click here, receive, and you can just send funds using this Tron wallet. So you can got it, and we have here our wallet. This is our wallet. I just make a copy like this, and let's go for example to Binance. So I just make a deposit with the withdrawal with $10, and let's see if everything is good. I just use this address wallet, and now let's wait for the account. So as you see, only 5 seconds it takes to receive our balance here. So you can also send it if you want. Just make the number, for example, how much that you want, and make next. After that, put your address wallet, or you can scan it for sure, or you can just paste it like this. So the wallet is really good for you guys. You can see it like this. You can just use it with these 2 cards as you see. So everything is clear. You can make a deposit with whatever you want, Ethereum, or you can recognize, or you can add any other token here after that. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. I really like this one. I really like this finger. If you don't have a card from here, you can use your finger or your ring on the finger for make a test like this. So everything is clear, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you like it. So if you wanna buy, you can just open like this. So the app is working right now, and let's add it. For example, let's see if we can add something here. So this is our wallet, etc. So everything is clear. You can also open the ring app like this. You can take it with yourself and just put it here, and your app will automatically open it for sure. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you like the project. I hope you like the product for sure. You can save your money offline as you see, and online for sure. So that's it. I will put the links under this video description for everyone who wants to buy this.